In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a friend on Steam using a friend code. Steam is a popular platform for gamers, offering a wide array of games and a vibrant community. Connecting with friends on Steam can enhance your gaming experience, making it more enjoyable and interactive. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to add a friend using a unique friend code, ensuring a smooth and straightforward process without the hassle of searching for usernames. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to steamcommunity.com. This is where we'll be conducting all our friend adding business today. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Steam account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam community homepage filled with all sorts of engaging content and options. Next, move your cursor to the very top of the page where your public profile name is displayed. Hover over it, and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Friends. This will take you to your Friends page where you can manage all your connections on Steam. On the left sidebar of this page, you'll notice a tab labeled Add a Friend. Click on it. This is our main hub for adding new friends, and it's where the magic happens. Each Steam account is equipped with a unique, permanent 8 to 9 digit number known as a friend code. This code is your key to connecting with others as it sidesteps the confusion that often comes with searching for common usernames. In the section titled Your Friend Code, you'll see your own number displayed. You have the option to copy this code and send it to a friend, allowing them to add you directly. Alternatively, if you're the one doing the adding, you'll need to get your friend's code instead. Once you have your friend's code, locate the text field labeled Enter a Friend Code. This is where you'll paste the code you've received. After pasting it, press Enter. It's as simple as that. Steam will process the code, and a profile preview of your friend will appear instantly right beneath the text field. Now, to complete the process, you'll see a blue button labeled Send Invite next to the profile preview. Go ahead and click this button. By doing so, you'll send a friend request to your friend who can then accept it, making you both part of each other's Steam community. And that's it. You've now successfully sent a friend request on Steam using a friend code. This method is quick and efficient, saving you time and ensuring you connect with the right person without any mix-ups. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy gaming with your new friend and have fun exploring the many features Steam has to offer.